Self-love, self-worth, and self-respect. There is a reason why all of them start with self. You can't find them in anyone else. Namaskar, Shubha Navratra, I'm Pallavi Valyaraj and welcome to day 6. And today, yes, we are definitely talking about something we need to talk about every single day. Self-love, loving ourselves unconditionally and therefore being able to love other people unconditionally as well. Now, I understand that it's not very easy all the time. It gets very challenging to practice self-love, especially so when we're going through massive ups and downs like right now, right? Some of us have lost our jobs, some of us don't know what else to do, what better to do in life. And it's uncanny, but our worth of ourselves is always related to the kind of money we earn, the kind of job we do, the kind of stuff we do in our life, the kind of stuff we wear, blah, blah, blah. But so I understand that it gets difficult, but let's start somewhere. Did you know that you are very, very special? Yeah, because you're unique. There's nobody quite like you in the world. You're one of a kind, item piece. Okay, now that I've made you smile a little bit, just maybe, give yourself a big hug right at the start and tell yourself that you love yourself, because I must tell you, self-love is definitely not about narcissism. It is not about being selfish. In fact, it's about delving much deeper, touching that inner higher self and really shining up bright, because it is only self-love that allows us to push through all our limiting beliefs and really, live our full and true potential. Believe me when I say that. So let's see whether some of the things that I'm practicing will help you as well. Start your day by saying something super positive to yourself, okay? Something like, I'm a great looker and I'm a great cooker. No. I cook well too, all right? So something really positive that you can start your day with. Another thing, of course, you need to do is fill your body with a lot of nourishing food and nourishing fluids, because when you nurture your body and take good care of it, it is going to allow you to love yourself that much more. Also move your gorgeous body, because when you break into a sweat, that's when the emotions are released and also the happy hormones are released, and that's when you're going to be able to love yourself easier, okay? And please don't keep looking at those magazines and YouTube videos and all these series with models and actors in them and keep thinking, oh my God, such perfect bodies. Hey, come on, start loving the skin you're in, because I must tell you, behind all those beautiful looking people is Photoshop, and of course they have an entire team handling their eating, drinking, exercising habits. So please don't be very hard on yourself, okay? Another thing, of course, very major, stop comparison, because you cannot compare yourself to anybody else. You are a unique person, yes or no? So the only person you can compare yourself with is your former self. Do that in order for self-improvement, okay? Surround yourself with a lot of loving, beautiful, nice people. Your vibe attracts your tribe, all right? So when you're feeling self-love, you're going to also attract a lot of people who feel self-love and who also give love unconditionally to others, okay? So surround yourself with your friends, your family, your mentors, your trainers, your guru, your community that makes you feel loved and encourages you all the time. Yes. Definitely put an end, or rather end all those relationships that are toxic, because anybody who believes and says to you that you're not amazing, they don't have any part to play in your life. They should never be in your life, because you are truly awesome. Okay, each one of us is, right? Now, another big one for me, celebrate all your wins. The biggest we always celebrate. What about the small ones? I woke up 5 minutes earlier today, or today is the first time I woke up at 5 a.m. or hey, I fed my cat on time today. Whatever, okay? So anything and everything which is a small win, please celebrate it, because let your body, let your cells get used to celebrating, rewarding yourself. Let your let your mind, your soul get used to feeling loved and nourished, okay, by celebrating those wins. Okay, another very major one, please step out of your comfort zone from time to time, because believe me, when you do things which you're passionate about, but you're kind of iffy about, whoa, I really don't know whether I want to do this, do those, because that exhilarating feeling is going to release again those happy, confident hormones in you, and that's what you need in order to go forward in self-love. Another thing, very crucial, take time out out every single day for your time, like your me time, right? For yourself. Just maybe sip on a cup of tea or coffee or some wine or just water and sit where there are some plants, or sit with your pet. Just spend time with yourself without any gadgets, without any television. Just think about how lucky you are, how happy you are, how blessed you are, and look at how you want to lead your life from here on. Another most important thing, if nothing else, take back this, that you need to express your gratitude every single day. I want to give you a line that you can say when you see anybody, okay, anybody, it could be family member or a stranger. When you see somebody, just say, give them a reason to smile today. To anybody, you could say it to God, to the force you believe in. Just say it to that force, give them a reason to smile today and express your gratitude. That's the best thing to do. It immediately shifts your energy. All right, guys, these are some of the things that I definitely like you to do in order to love yourself more. Be persistent and be patient with yourself, because self-love is, it's like a routine that you will get into, okay? It requires some time for you to really start getting into the groove, okay? So give yourself some time, be loving and faithful and trusting towards yourself, and you will make it happen. Okay, I'm Pallavi Walia Raj. Do comment what you felt about the stuff that I shared and if it's helping you, and do follow me on all the social media platforms. Pallavi Walia Raj is the name. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah. Love you, love you, love you guys, and I love myself. Ciao.